You went for a Social Security consultative evaluation with one of their doctors, and the doctor told you, you've got a good case, I think you're going to get approved. Should you believe it? I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. I represent clients in all 50 states, from Maine to California. I'm able to do that because disability hearings are now held by phone or video, so I don't have to travel, and it really doesn't matter where you live or where I live. I get this question a lot because people go to the consultative evaluations, and the doctors they see, some of them are on a panel that do a lot of consultative evaluations. Others are a doctor who maybe just does one or two a year. And sometimes a doctor will say, I think you've got a really strong case, you're likely to get approved. I would really take that with a grain of salt. The consultative doctors are not trained in legal matters. They're doing medical evaluation. And they may look at you and say, medically, you are disabled based on the way they understand disability. But Social Security looks at disability in terms of how your medical issue impacts you in a work environment. It's very much of a vocational inquiry. And consultative doctors are just not trained to make that decision. That's what judges do. They really translate the medical record into very specific vocational issues. It can make a difference how old you are. If you're over 50 or over age 55, different rules apply. So there's just a lot of reasons why the doctor who is not versed in legalities of Social Security really is not in the best position to tell you. Certainly it's positive news, it's good news if that doctor thinks that you've got a strong case, because presumably that doctor has seen other Social Security cases. But again, the doctors aren't really following the case all the way through to decision. He or she may not know what a good case really is. I think really that's not the best source to find out whether you've got a good case. By the same token, if the doctor says you're not going to win at all, I wouldn't believe that either. I do think that what I would do with consultative evaluations is make notes. If you have to do it afterwards, just write down what happened, how long it took. I was just looking at some emails that came in today, and a client went to a consultative evaluation, wrote me and said, Jonathan, I was there for no more than 10 minutes. The doctor didn't touch me. He asked me a couple questions and left and told me to go. That's important too, because I'm at a hearing, and if that report comes back against us, I'm going to ask the judge to give it very little weight because my client's reporting that it only took 10 minutes and he didn't do anything. So it's important to know what happened in these consultative evaluations, but the doctors there are not, they're not experienced, they don't have knowledge about the legal definition of disability for Social Security purposes and what it all means. So again, take it with a grain of salt. Hope you found this useful. Visit me online again at ssdanswers.com. Look for my Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit, free download, or ask for a case evaluation. And give this video a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful, and like us on Facebook as well. For now, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.